Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down something I am going to be adding into my trading, and judging by the title, you can already see I am becoming a swing trader. Now, I am not entirely becoming a swing trader where I'm just dropping day trading, but within the last week, I have added swing trading into my portfolio on separate funded accounts. Now, the reason I am doing this is because I want to add a little bit more diversity into my portfolio. So the thing I like about swing trading, and the reason I wanted to add it, is because of the fact news doesn't really matter. Something I found myself getting caught up in this year so far is a lot of my setups have been happening at news. So I thought I could add a swing trading account where I'm entering in the same areas that I look to with my day trading entries, but I don't need confirmation and I don't have to be worried about getting stopped out or anything by news because of the wider stop loss. So that's something that I've added in, and it has been amazing so far. I've been in 2 swing trades and I'm still holding them now, EU and GU shorts, and they're going great. GU short was an absolute snipe, and I also hit an intraday snipe today on GU as well. I'll pop that up. I will be doing a video on that later on. But what I wanted to do, which is kind of talk about and explain why I'm doing this. And the other thing I want to add is we are adding in swing trading. We added in a swing trading course video to RM trading. We also added a section in the Discord for swing trades where people are sharing their trades beforehand. So I myself and other swing traders in the community are sending our trades before. So you can take them if you want. You can use them as, forward testing, whatever it is. But I think this is something huge that's going to be amazing, not only for myself, but the community members as well. But one of the biggest things I wanted to touch on is, if you are someone with a 9-to-5 job, this is something I wish I knew before. If you have a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you're someone who lives in an area in the world where the sessions don't benefit you and your lifestyle, swing trading is so easy, and it is the way to go in my opinion, because I use the 4-hour or the daily to look for entries, mainly the 4-hour so far. I use the weekly to find my direction and bias along with the daily, and then I've been entering on the 4-hour time frame. It's been so simple and it's so easy to manage that you don't need to worry about sessions. You don't need to worry about news. You don't need to worry about any of that. And I'm super excited that I'm kind of adding this into my trading routine or my portfolio, because now I feel diversified in the sense that I'm not afraid of missing trades anymore, or I'm not going to wake up in the morning and my trade happened in London, because I can just set a pending before I go to bed, and London will take it over, or it'll get tagged in New York. That's just something I like. And one of my best buddies is a swing trader. You guys know him, Ara. He's a beautiful, beautiful guy and a great swing trader. If you haven't seen his channel, definitely go check it out. Just type in Ara. But anyway, he's been swing trading for a long time. He's been trying to get me on the wave. And something he realized is he wanted a little bit more action. So he's also looking to implement day trading into his portfolio on a different account. Now, his advice was having both. It's something that he wanted to do, and it's something that I want to do as well. So we're kind of doing it together. And I think it's going to be the best kind of meet in the middle, where if the environment for swing trading just isn't there, I'm still able to day trade on my 1 account, 2 accounts, whatever I decide to split it up with. Or if the markets are trending very nice, I can swing trade and still look for day trade positions as well on those exact same positions. So it's been amazing so far. I can't stress this enough. One thing that I was really shocked about is how easy it is to manage. Like, I had a super busy day the other day. The day I actually proposed to my girlfriend, well, fiance now, I had a super busy day. I entered a position in the morning, and it was unreal to go about my whole day and still being in that trade, running profit, and just not worrying about any of it. And it's something that I'm super excited about. And I know I've said this a couple times in this video, but I feel like I'm at a point in my journey where adding something new is exciting and it's different. And I was saying in the RM trading community, I was saying in the Discord that, guys, I will get good at this. I could start off swing trading and lose 10 trades in a row, blow multiple funded accounts while I'm trying to succeed at it. But all that matters is I know I will. And the beauty thing about having the section in our Discord now is I can show all those trades beforehand so that, you can see the progress as well. I'll keep you guys updated on here as well. You guys have been loving the sit down videos. You guys have been loving the trade breakdown videos. And I'm just super grateful that I have you guys to kind of document my journey. And remember, the whole point of this channel was, yes, to share knowledge and hopefully help a lot of you, but also to document my journey. So I can look back on this later on in life and see the trials and tribulations, the ups, the downs, and all the in between. So the number one thing that I like the most about swing trading so far after being 1 week in is the amount of freedom it allows me. So while I've been in these trades, I've been able to work on RM trading stuff. I've been able to think of YouTube ideas. I've been able to work on my other businesses. I've been able to go golfing with my dad during the day. I've been able to just brainstorm and think and get back some time. And it's been great because there's been times this week where, intraday setups just weren't there, but I was okay because my trades were already running with my swing positions. Same bias and everything like that. And that's the cool thing is with the strategy that I was currently trading, it's literally the exact same thing as that, except the high time frame, because you guys know price is fractal. So what you see on the high time frame is going to be the exact same thing you see on the lower time frame. So instead of me just, it's not even like I'm switching strategies. It's just instead of me jumping down to the lower time frames, the intraday time frames for confirmation out of these high time frame areas, I'm just simply setting limits on those high time frame areas. And it's great because I'm just trading in alignment with structure on the high time frame. And my risk rewards are a little bit lower. I've noticed my risk rewards so far have been like 1 to 2 to like 1 to 2.5, which is completely fine. Whereas my day trades are about 1 to 3 on average. 1 to 3, maybe some 1 to 4s, maybe some 1 to 5s. The other thing that I like about it so far is the fact that I'm able to look at every single forex pair. So I'm trading all forex pairs now with the swing account, and you'd be surprised how easy it is to manage. I would say it's easier to manage every single forex pair on a swing perspective than managing 3 forex pairs on a day trading perspective. Just my opinion, because when you're managing the swing trades, or say it's Sunday and you're looking at your list for the whole week, there's going to be a ton of them that simply aren't ready. And them getting close to entry is still them being 100 pips away, 50 pips away. So you have so much time, right? So what I do now on Sundays, especially in the communities, our Sunday weekly outlooks, I will go through every single forex pair and I will flag what ones we want to look at that week. And then as of this week, I sent them all out saying this is what we want to look at this week in the swing section. And there were some beautiful opportunities that presented. So yeah, the only downside is obviously the Sunday breakdowns for myself are so much longer. I think they were like 30 minutes long compared to like 10 minutes when we're only managing 3 pairs, but nothing's changing on the day trading front. So I'm still only managing 3 pairs in that sense. I have a completely separate list that when it's New York time, I just flip to that. I don't see any of the other pairs, and that's AU, GU, and EU. EU and GU have been absolutely amazing pairs lately. Obviously, you guys know AU is one of my favorite pairs, but ever since I added GU, things have been great. I absolutely love how the pair moves. I think it's super clean and it follows structure and liquidity very, very well. So I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know and keep you updated with my journey. So yeah, I am becoming a swing trader, but it isn't what you think. I'm not just becoming a swing trader. I'm going to be a swing trader / day trader. And I think it's going to be a super, super cool journey. And it also brings more to the community. It also brings more to the people that have 9-to-5 jobs. Maybe if you're watching this YouTube video and you have a 9-to-5 job and it's hard for you to trade, now you can watch some of my swing videos and that can maybe help you, So again, it's something that I wish I knew when I was working my 9-to-5. I was still trying to day trade and I had no time and I'd be going to the bathroom to look for trades. But at the same time, I'm not sure if it was meant to be that way. I feel like everything happens for a reason, and I'm exactly where I am now because of the journey that I've had so far. So who knows? But yeah, I just wanted to sit down, and I hope you enjoy this sit down video. I have many more to come. I know I've been doing a lot of sit down live trading videos, but I will be implementing more sit down videos because I know you guys like those as well. But I find the most value comes from the live videos. I'm not even gonna lie, but if you are sticking around for these sit down videos and you maybe aren't checking out the live videos, please do me a favor and start watching those. I guarantee you they're going to be something that you can take from there. It isn't just me showing a strategy. It's me ranting throughout the session. It's me, how I manage my trades. It's all that kind of stuff. So I do think you'll take a ton of value away from them. But anyway, if you are interested in the mentorship, if you're interested in the swing trading program that we've now added, make sure to click the link in the description. And yeah, what do I say at the end of every single video, guys? Let's be 1% better every single day. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.